you want to add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page on PC, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end, and don't skip any part, because every step is important. Adding a WhatsApp button makes it easier for people to contact you directly through WhatsApp. So let's get started. If this video helps you add a WhatsApp button to your Facebook page, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open Facebook on your PC. Now, log into your Facebook account and go to the Facebook page where you want to add the WhatsApp button. Next, click the three dots on your Facebook page. From the menu, click Add Action button. Now, select Send WhatsApp Message. Next, scroll down and click Next. Here, you will need to enter your WhatsApp phone number. Make sure you enter the correct phone number connected to your WhatsApp account. Now, click Send Code. You will receive a verification code on your WhatsApp phone number. Next, enter the verification code in the box. Once your number is verified, continue with the remaining setup steps. Finally, save your changes and go back to your Facebook page. You should now see a WhatsApp button on your Facebook page.